Simply roll your window down, grab the box, place on, and roll your window up. Weather resistant. Keys to simply place in by rotating and setting up the lock and closing down. And when ready to move, simply roll down, grab, lift up, and remove. We have a security lock, portable, for house, automobiles by Casmer. It is weather resistant, stainless steel clip, easy to grip, easy to open up, and set up your combination and all. In the back you have your numbers, 12. You can put all your keys, personal belongings, and more. You have an instruction guide to go over in a number of languages. The keypad is in a lock position when you turn. In order to set up the lock, this is number 1. There is an arrow pointing this way, down. Take the screwdriver, reverse it 2 points up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are now locked, and we cannot open up the unit until we hit 1, 2, 3, 4, release. We then put in the unit to lock, and it's locked. No matter what we hit, it will not open until we clear and hit 1, 2, 3, 4. If we lock the unit and we go to 4, 3, 1, 2, the unit opens up. It is a locking system of 4 numbers. No matter which order those 4 numbers are put in, it will open up. And release the nuts in the back. Remove the back system and a sticker. And with the supplied hardware, we're going to place on a wall. When we need to hang a set of keys up, there's a little hook. Close up, lock into place, and press in the numbers. And reopen and remove the keys. Will fit most cars without visors. It is a waterproof, protective lock for your needs.